Good morning, you guys. Welcome to the vlog. It is Saturday. It is just about 8 a.m. and I have a very busy day today. I actually started the morning off by going to go vote, and surprisingly the lines were not long. I was a little worried about that just because when early voting first started, the lines were super long. So we were in and out in like 10 minutes and whole process smooth. I definitely recommend early voting, especially here in Houston if you are in Houston, just because the process was a little seamless. And just from past experience on voting on election day, I know you can wait hours. I think that on election day, like the last election, I think I waited maybe 3 or 4 hours to vote, something like that. So yeah, if you can and you drive by and you see lines are not long, just hop out, go vote, and take care of that. But on the agenda for today, I need to go to Trader Joe's because I got a little tip from one of you guys that I could find some dried wheat there. So we're gonna see if they have any left. From Trader Joe's, I need to go to At Home because I'm starting to get Christmas decorations. Yes, I know it's not even Halloween, but you know, I want to stock up, and I know that the earlier you go, the better things you can get, and you have a better selection, a better variety. So I'm gonna stop by there. I'm just trying to do a little bit of Christmas shopping like every weekend, just pick up little odds and ends here and there, just because I have like a whole color scheme this year that was different from last year's color scheme. So yeah, pick up some new things. And I also want this Christmas to be very special just because of the fact that this may be our last Christmas in this house. So I just kind of like want to go all out. Speaking of Christmas, yes, I am watching my Hallmark and Lifetime Christmas movies. It has begun. They are playing them 24/7 and we are having a blast over here. Yeah, so I need to do that. I also need to go to the mall. I have some cleaning to do. I am going to go see some family for a little bit. So I actually need to go ahead and get going so I can stay on schedule because I need to finish the bulk of everything before noon. Like I need to be back here so I can get ready, and that is the plan, and we're gonna get to executing because time is of the essence. And we are off to Trader Joe's. But first, we're in some desperate need of some gas. Cannot beat that. Looking way better. So much for the adventure. As you can see, I am back at home. Trader Joe's was literally like I walked in and walked out. They did not have the dried wheat, unfortunately, but I think it's gonna be okay because I did find some at home like a week ago. I just hope it's enough. They didn't have too much, so I might see if they have some more when I go back today. But rude. But yeah, I had to stop back home because I haven't had anything to eat and I really need to eat. So I'm gonna do that. I am going to put on some makeup, do my face just so I'm ready to go later on today when I go over to my cousin's house. And something that's really exciting, you guys know I am redoing my room, just kind of like the color scheme of it. And my duvet insert came in, so I am so excited about it. It's from West Elm and I love how plush it is. And oh my, I think that this is going to be perfect, especially going into winter. My room gets super cold, so this is gonna be awesome. And as you can see, I have the pillow that's gonna be going on my bed as well. I have 2 of them. I haven't done the other one yet, but that is there. Super excited for that. I pretty much have everything for my bed, which I probably will do today. So I need to wash my sheets, but I've also been thinking about getting new sheets, just like a new color. Thinking about getting sheets that match this color, just so everything flows a little bit more. So right now my sheets are beige, which really isn't a problem since it does match everything, but just kind of want to do something a little different. And if I can't find that like light blue, light teal color, then I might just end up getting more beige sheets. But I want some that are a little bit softer, because right now the sheets that I got are a little too cottony for my comfort. They're a little rough. Not so much that I'm just like, this sucks, but enough to where I'm like, I wish my sheets were a little bit softer. So we're adding on and going to Kohl's to our list. So we're doing so much today. I also did not realize that it's already almost 10. I thought I had way more time. So I know we're very yellow right now, but looks like we're not gonna get out of here at 10, but we'll probably push for 10:30. But before I do my makeup and everything, I decided to do my duvet, and it's my first time doing anything like this, so this should be really interesting. Okay. I don't know what I did with my phone. First step is to flip the duvet cover inside out. So now we lay the duvet flat. She's plush. So then you start rolling it back. Now what do we do? I'm like out of breath. Now I need to flip the cover inside out, or right side in, whatever. Something like that. Yeah. How are we gonna do this? I have broken a sweat, but we got it. So now I just need to button it back up. Now it says to just unroll it, but how does it work? Oh, okay. First of all, that was an adventure, but for the most part, I think we did okay. For that being my first time ever doing anything with a duvet cover, a duvet insert. So yeah, pretty proud of myself. And now we look just a smidge better. I am waiting for my clothes to stop so I can fold those and put the other ones into the dryer and then start my last load before I leave. But it is a little bit after 11, so I'm gonna try to get as much as I can done because I want to be back at the house by like 12:30. So yeah, 'tis the plan. But we do have like 3 places to go to, so fingers crossed we can get everything done and we can be in and out. Okay, so a bit of an update. We are about like 2 minutes from the mall, and so we are on the way to H&M. That's like the only store that I have to go to. So going to H&M. After that, I'm gonna go to Kohl's to pick up my pillows and sheets. Hopefully the sheets, definitely the pillows. And then at home probably will not happen until later today or tomorrow, but we'll see. So we are back home and I have really great news. It matches perfectly. So the sheets that I got from Kohl's match perfectly with these pillows and I'm so excited. Hopefully they hold up in the wash. I'm about to put them in the wash so I can change out my complete bed. Also, H&M wasn't hitting like it usually does. So I only got a couple of things, but I'm not going to show them in this vlog. I'm actually doing a whole video featuring those items, so make sure you are subscribed so you get to see that video. And actually, as soon as I put these in the wash, I'm about to head out so I can go see my family, spend a little bit of time with them. Yeah. So I have made it home. And I'm so ready to just take off my face. I'm so tired. I just want to go to sleep. Of course, it's always great seeing family, but your girl is tired. So we're about to do something with this situation. When I tell you these things, they are game changer if you're looking for a way to like be more eco-friendly when it comes to makeup remover. Get these. I'll have them linked down below. They're from Amazon. They were not that expensive at all. They were very inexpensive. And I don't know how many I have. I want to say it's at least 10. I definitely feel like I have more than that, but they're so good at just taking off my makeup. I love them. They're awesome, and you can just toss them into this little baggie and throw this into the wash and they're like brand new. So pick these up if you're looking for anything like these. I'd highly recommend these. Where'd her eyebrows go? I don't know. Next up, the wig comes off. And here we are. So makeup is completely off and I'm going to finish up the rest of my skincare routine, but just wanted to end off the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.